Hello friends, how are you all? I hope everyone is doing very well. Friends, today's content is about how to check incognito history on Chrome. So without delay, let's start the video. First, you need to go to the start option. After going there, click on CMD. This option will appear. You have to click on it. After clicking, an interface like this will open in front of you. Here you need to enter a code. You have to enter ipconfig here slash display DNS. Simply press enter here. You can see all your history appearing here in front of you. Everything you searched in the incognito unit, the entire history will appear in front of you. See how much we have searched here. The history of everything is shown here. Okay. You can see all your history by clicking this command. So friends, if you liked our channel's video, please like, subscribe and share the channel.